Peana ng'ombe kwa cluster tuone mnachunga ng'ombe.
Buche Lwenj Kit chuech odok pinye county ma Kilifi kuoke atamalo 30 nyaka atamalo 13 kalure kod Migago mochune kit chuech e county. Mpuonjre makare kor gweng moko kuom gigo mose konyo duoko piny buche mag lwenje mag kit chuech. Tend county ma Kilifi tudore kod jodusruok e puonjo dak makono kokale yor dusruok e wi kedo kod lwenje mag kit chuech.
We started with more than 30% of GBV cases, including teenage pregnancies, and now we're going down to around 13-12%. This is because of the county working together with different partners. We are all living in Kilifi and would like Kilifi to be a peaceful environment where we can all coexist.
Once you violate it, I am there for you. You come to us and we'll walk the journey with you. Another thing we're doing with the young people here, Mr. Tourism and others, is that we visit schools all over and we sensitize the kids there about it and do the best we can to help other survivors. And at this moment in point, I'm very happy you're all here. And you'll get to understand why we have this runway. And all the girls and boys you're going to see here are part of the project we're working.
So in the name of football, a red card signifies a severe infraction of the rules. In this context, the Red Card campaign seeks to give a red card to all forms of discrimination and violence against women and girls. Specifically, it aims to obtain a minimum of 1 million commitments by the 2023 Women's World Cup in New Zealand to fully respect every other human being, regardless of gender, culture, color, language, social origin, birth, property, or religion.